LM Studio versus Msty, two heavyweights in the local AI game. Both let you run AI models privately on your machine, but they take completely different approaches. Which one deserves your hard drive space? Let's find out. And hey, smash that subscribe button if you're into local AI content. Quick breakdown. LM Studio is the polished GUI champion with beautiful interface, automatic hardware optimization, and excellent Apple Silicon support. It's desktop focused with a mature OpenAI compatible API. Msty takes a different route. It's a unified interface that connects both local and cloud models like GPT-4 and Claude. It's open source, multi-platform, and packs advanced features like split chat comparisons, knowledge stacks for RAG, and conversation branching. Ease of use. LM Studio wins the simplicity battle. Its drag-and-drop model installation and visual performance indicators make it dead simple. No terminal, no Docker, just download and run. The model browser shows speed and quality ratings before you download, which is brilliant. Msty requires a bit more setup initially, especially when configuring multiple model providers, though its one-click local setup is straightforward. If you're brand new to local AI, LM Studio is more beginner-friendly. Performance and stability. Here's where it gets interesting. LM Studio excels at hardware optimization. It automatically detects your GPU, offers Vulkan offloading for integrated Intel and AMD GPUs, and handles model splitting across GPU and RAM intelligently. NVIDIA recently partnered with them for CUDA 12.8 support, delivering serious speed improvements. However, users report freezing issues, especially mid-generation with certain models. This has been a persistent complaint. Msty runs leaner and faster in most scenarios, with approximately 20% faster inference speeds according to real-world testing. It doesn't freeze mid-generation like LM Studio sometimes does. Memory usage is lower too, making it better for resource-constrained systems. The trade-off? It doesn't have LM Studio's advanced GPU controls for multi-GPU setups. Feature set. LM Studio focuses on doing one thing exceptionally well, running local models. You get an immediate chat interface, parameter adjustment sliders, a local API server, and that's it. It doesn't integrate cloud models or offer collaboration features. The upcoming 2025 updates promise team workspaces and usage analytics, but those aren't here yet. Msty is feature-packed. Split Chat lets you compare multiple models side by side in real time, essential for finding the best model for your task. Knowledge Stacks 2 with RAG is properly implemented with chunk visualization, PII, scrubbing, and analytics. You can mix local and cloud models in one interface, branch conversations to explore different paths, and use MCP tools directly. The conversation management alone makes it worth considering. You can fork chats, modify responses, and navigate multiple conversation threads easily. Model management. LM Studio uses a specific folder structure and doesn't integrate with other local model directories like Ollama, which can get messy if you're running multiple AI apps. Every model lives in LM Studio's ecosystem. Msty integrates seamlessly with Ollama, lets you point to any gguf file anywhere on your system, and connects to Hugging Face, OpenAI, Anthropic, and more, all from one interface. This flexibility is massive for power users. API and developer features. Both offer OpenAI compatible APIs. LM Studio's API is highly mature with full streaming support, embeddings, and experimental function calling. The 2025 updates added better tool, choice parameters, and improved system prompt handling. Msty's API is stable for connecting to existing installations, but it's not a standalone server, it extends other tools. For production deployments requiring rock-solid API stability, LM Studio has the edge. For experimenting with multi-model workflows, Msty's approach is more flexible. Platform support. LM Studio runs on Windows, macOS, and Linux with excellent Apple Silicon optimization. Msty supports the same platforms but also works in the browser and offers better Intel Mac compatibility. Multiple users noted Msty runs where LM Studio failed on older Intel MacBooks. Bottom line, LM Studio is the more polished, beginner-friendly option focused purely on local models with superior GPU optimization. Msty is the power user's choice with advanced features, better stability, faster performance, and the flexibility to mix local and cloud models in a unified workspace. Choose LM Studio if you want the simplest local AI experience, need advanced multi-GPU controls, prioritize Apple Silicon optimization, or only care about running local models with maximum polish. Choose Msty if you want to compare models side by side, need serious RAG capabilities with knowledge stacks, want to mix local and cloud providers, value open source software, or need better stability and faster inference on modest hardware. Both are free and excellent at what they do. Your choice depends on your workflow. Drop a comment with which one you're using and why. Links to both tools are in the description. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next one.